Let us create a chart where it shows cumulative number. Cumulative means the summation until now. Let us first get into the monthly sales. So I will go to purchase date, go to orders data, go to the purchase date, make it like monthly. It has to be month like this. And then if you want sales, you have to take the payment value, double click on it, sum of payment, that is fine, or you can make it average payment also. Now what we have to do is hold control and take a more one. And the second one is what I want to make it as cumulative. Cumulative means running total. This is the sales. This is running total. That means at any point, let's say if I take the summation of the sales, it looks like this. As of now, it is showing on both of them, but these numbers, if you look at them carefully, whenever you click on a number there, the cumulative number until that point will be displayed here. Cumulative number until that point is displayed here. So the labels, if they are confusing, simply you can delete one of the labels. Right now I'm deleting this label. Cumulative label is gone. So this is the actual sales and this is the cumulative number until then. To make it much more attractive, you can make it like dual axis so that the sales and the cumulative sales, both of them are displayed. Here, if you have look at this, like there are two charts. One of them is actual sales. The other one is like it is highlighted. The other one is cumulative sales. Let us remove both the labels to make it like neat. So if you click any of this automatically, like until this point, what is the sales? You will be able to see that payment value is this much. So you can add any number on the tooltip. So I'll get this and put it on the tooltip. I'm putting it on the tooltip. So if you go here, you will get payment value and running sum of the payment value. Payment value and the running sum of the payment value, both of them are visible. So here also on the tooltip, the second one, only running sum is displayed. So you can come to the second chart. This is where the running sum is displayed and you can put it on tooltip. So here payment value as well as the running sum. So until here, running sum means what? Cumulative. So let's say it starts with 256, 252, after that 59,000, 252 plus 59,000, and then plus 20, plus this much, and so on. This is the cumulative number is also displayed and the single graph itself. Okay, that's how cumulative works. Let us create one more graph. This time I would like to take payment type. Payment type. Click on payment type. Different type of payments are there. Boleto, credit card, debit card, not defined, voucher. Okay, these are different ones. And what I'll do is I'll try to take the number of IDs. Okay, count distinct customers. Okay, let me just take customer unique ID or customer ID. I would like to take a count of that. Okay, take a count, the measure count, counter. There are null values as well. Okay, let us sort it. What I want to do is this null, not defined, and what else? Voucher. I want to keep all these three as one group. I want to keep credit card, Boleto, and debit card as it is, and the remaining three categories, I want to make them as one group. Yeah. So I will use this option group, or as soon as you click on it, once you're selecting it, once you select it, there is one more group option. This small pin that you see, paperclip, either that one, or you can right click and say group. You can, as soon as you do this, there is one payment type group created. You can edit this group if you like to. You can say edit group, and it is this group ID, Boleto, credit card, debit card, and this one. This one you can rename it as other, anything else. Okay. You cannot assign name as other. Let me assign it as, rename it as other payment, because other is, looks like it's a system term, other payment method or other payment, simple. Okay. That's it. This is the other payment. This is the one. And you can put that on the label as well. These many on Boleto, these many on this one, and all. And you can make it fit the entire view to like it better. That's how grouping works. You can also do grouping on the geographical map as well. You can do grouping on geographical maps, and it is very much fascinating. Let us see. So let's create a map chat first. Let us see where all the customers. Let's go to the customer geolocation. Customer geolocation. Let's say customer city. Is that going to look good? Customer city. Yeah, this is customer geolocation. And then I would like to take customer ID. How many customers are there in each location? Okay. How many customers are there in each location? So let me take customer ID and okay, let it get executed. It is taking some time. It's executing. Yep. Now this customer ID, we need to convert that into count. After that, I would like to put that on size. So most of the customers are from here, some customers are from here, some customers are from here. There are 3K unknown. As of now, I'm ignoring those 3K unknown. Edit locations. Some ambiguous are there, Brazil, state, province. You can actually fix this, but as of now, I'm ignoring those unknown values, or we can change the city from state, or we can somehow fix it. We can take the zip code if you like to, then fix this on the Brazil. Right now, 3K seems to be too high. Shall we try zip code and fix it? Let's quickly try zip code instead of the state. I'm just assuming that this zip code may help us. Yeah, 623. This is much better than 3000 issues. Now what I want to do is this. I want to say that as region 1. These are all customers from region 1, region 2, and region 3. Maybe it is like north region, middle region, and then the south region, or east or west region. I want to divide this into 3 groups of customers. These are customers from three different groups, and I want to color them differently. This should be in blue color, this should be in orange, or this should be in yellow color. If that is the case, how do you do that? So first select this region using this selection. There are multiple ways to select different types. So select this region, and then group. You have this option, group them. Then a new variable will be created as usual. Geolocation zip code group is created. And then what you need to do is bring that as a filter. Look at this carefully. Bring it as a filter, put it as a filter, and apply. Take all the values and say apply. Okay. After that, what you need to do is show filter. Show filter. The filter will be displayed. Now, apart from whatever you have selected, these are all the selected ones. Apart from that, use everything else, others. Okay, these are all the other ones. Out of that, select the middle region, whichever you feel are the middle customers, like customers from region which is middle. Again, select and group them. One more group will be created. Look at this, it will get updated. See, it got updated. And these are the others remaining. The remaining ones, I would like to leave it as it is. This one must be in the previous one. Let me do Control Z. I think it did not get selected for some reason. So let me select. These are all like roughly I'm selecting these regions because they're not defined as per. Then I would say group them. Second group will be created. The third one, I would like to leave it as others itself. Okay. Now what you can do is you come here, geolocation, zip code, prefix grouping, and you can rename edit group. and say I would like to say this rename as region 1. This is, you can give any name, east or west or north or south. Region 2, and either other or rename it as region 3. Apply. Okay. Then what you can do is you just remove this. These are the 3 regions. Look at this. Region 1, region 2, region 3. Different colors. Okay. So where is this geolocation? Region 1, region 2, region 3, zip code. It is already in 3 different colors. It's already on the color. In fact, you can change this color to any different color. Okay. Region 1 is in blue. Region 3, if you want to make it like blue, orange, green, that is also fine. Yeah, somehow the middle one is not getting selected. Like if you carefully select it, it will also get selected. So you have orange, you have blue, you have green. These are the 3 different regions. So that is how you can create groups on the fly. What is the best part? Once you have created groups, you can use it in other analysis also. Let's say region 1, region 2, region 3. If you want to simply create a bar chart using, let's say if you want to know the customer count from each of these regions, you can create a bar chart actually. Look at this. Let me create a bar chart with that. Count of customers from these 3 regions. Since several customers are there, it is saying not responding, but anyway, we are going to convert that into count and select the bar chart. And look at that, region 1, region 2, region 3. This is what we want, and label. Maybe vertical bar chart would be better. Maybe this one with this region 1, region 2, region 3. These are the number of customers from each region. Now this variable was not there. Region variable was not there. We have created this variable. That is how you can work with grouping. There are so many other things to learn. The only thing is they are not difficult. We just need to practice. Let us see some functions like string functions, substring, or starts with or ends with, like that. Let us take a variable product category name. Where is product category name? It will be part of products. Until now, we haven't worked with products, isn't it? Products data set. Here is the product category name. Let's click on it. Product category name. What I want to do is I want to take only first 4 characters only. I'm interested in first 4 characters. So how do you do that? You simply take this and use a create a calculated field. You can say product category code. I want to take first 4 letters and I would like to call it as product category code. So you have this option. Mid is the function, just like in Excel. For substring, it is called mid function, starting with 1, ending with 4. Okay, that's the option. The calculation is valid. You say okay. So you have product category code. That's how you can create product category code. Instead of product category, I want to use product category code at some places because product category is very lengthy. I would like to use product category code, which is also somewhat unique, isn't it? Nothing is repeated here. Yeah. Or what if you want to concatenate 2 strings? Okay. How do you do the concatenation of the strings? Let's say I have state and city separately. What if I would like to say state code? Okay. So if I go to geolocation, state is there, but state, I think it is not the full one. State is simply state code. I want to create a new column called state code followed by city. How do you do that? So create a calculated field. Concatenation is pretty simple. You take that state code and there's no function for this. Simply you just put plus and then I would like to concatenate with a hyphen, then plus, okay, followed by city. geolocation city. That's it. And I would like to name it as state code or state underscore city. That's the new column that I want to create, state underscore city. Now instead of using this, let me clean this. State underscore city. State as well as city attached to that. So I don't need to worry about which city belongs to which state. State followed by city, state followed by city, everywhere is given to me. Okay. And have you ever heard of word cloud? What is a word cloud? In a text data set, the word that is appearing multiple times, you would like to print it as a larger text, and the word that is appearing lesser number of times, you would like to print it as a smaller text. For example, you have city. Okay, not city, let's take it as a state. Imagine there is a particular state that is appearing multiple times. Okay, I would like to give it as a larger text, not on map. I want to show it as text. Okay, so what I would like to do is the city from where there are so many customers, I would like to make it as larger text. So I'll just put this customer ID on size, drag and drop customer ID on size, and then what I will do is here I would like to create, instead of this chart, let us see whether area chart can be created or not out of this. No. So what we'll do is we'll first start with customer ID itself. Okay. Start customer ID and take count, and then take geolocation state. Now what you need to choose is you need to choose an area chart. Follow these steps carefully. Now once you have created area chart, right now it is automatic. Now try to use that as text, convert it to text. Now the state where most of the customers are from, it is coming in this color. In fact, what you can do is right now color is somewhat not that great. You can make it like a different color. Okay, apply this and look at this. SP is the one that has higher number of customers. The smaller one, 120 customers from here, 41,000 customers from here, and then 492 customers from here. AP has 628 customers. Geo has these many customers. So depending on that. In fact, this color also, you can make it much more colorful if you like to. Which color is better? Orange, blue, diverging. Is this better? Whichever looks good, doesn't matter. Okay. Don't use single colors. Not red, green, red, black, orange, blue. Any color. Okay. Basically, the story should come out. The state from where the state that is appearing maximum number of times, that should appear here. That is how you can create a word cloud. Sometimes word clouds are the ones that you may have to create. First create an area chart, then choose in the area chart, it is square by default. This need to be converted to text. Then it will look like this. Got it? That brings us to the last exercise for this session. That is lab 3. Cumulative values. Create a monthly time series charts for order count. Basically, you have to count the number of orders based on the order ID. Include the cumulative count of orders also. So I want month on month, how many orders are there, and cumulatively how many orders are placed until that particular month. Okay, that need to be created. That is first exercise. The second exercise is create a bar chart to show state-wise count of customers. So it should be a bar chart, horizontal or vertical. State 1, how many customers are there? State 2, how many customers are there? State 3, how many customers are there? State 4, how many customers are there? Okay. And leave the top 10 states as it is, as a as it is, and remaining small states are there, group all of them into other. If other is not possible, you make it as other states. Okay, so there should be only 11 states, top 10 states followed by other states. That is the second exercise, grouping. Third exercise is create a new column to capture the last 5 characters of the customer unique ID. There is customer unique ID. I want to take only last 5 characters, create a new column that captures only the last 5 characters of the customer unique ID. These are the 3 small exercises that I want you to do, just to recap whatever we have discussed until now. That is it with this session. Once you complete it, we will move on to the next video.